Fix your media and purchases account has been disabled on iPhone or iPad. If you're seeing the error your media and purchases account has been disabled on your iPhone or iPad, don't panic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix this issue so you can get back to using the device without any problems. So let's dive right in. First, let's make sure everything is okay with the Apple ID. Go to Settings, tap on your name. Now, here, scroll down and check if there's any notification or alert about your account being disabled or locked. If there's an issue, just follow the instructions to resolve it, such as updating payment information or verifying your identity. Often, this error can appear if there's an issue with the payment method. Just go to Payment and Shipping and review your payment method and make sure it's up to date and valid. If necessary, update your payment information or add a new card. If your card has expired or there's an issue with the billing address, updating these details will usually fix the problem. Sometimes signing out and back into your Apple ID can fix the problem. Scroll down and find Sign Out. Choose whether to keep a copy of your data on the device. After signing out, restart your iPhone or iPad and simply log in or sign into your iPhone again. Lastly, let's check for restrictions or parental controls. Go to Settings and on Screen Time. From here, simply tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure that restrictions are either turned off or adjusted to allow media purchases. Because sometimes parental controls or restriction can cause these errors if certain settings are applied. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix that your media and purchase account has been disabled.